Morning. We're back at Naples MOB today. It's been about 9 weeks since our last walkthrough at the very beginning of the job. And as you can see, things have really changed around here. So all of the foundations are in place. Our slab on grade has been poured. And our first half of the casting beds is ready to go. We're actually ready to pour our first group of panels. First group of 3. It's 180 yards, so it's a pretty big chunk. Everything finished. The guys are just doing some final cleanup. We pay particular attention because we do not want any kind of reinforcing or wire on the exterior of the panels. It causes rust stains, which become a problem later. The guys in the next group of panels are working on weld plate installation right now. This job in particular has excessive weld plates and is costing us tremendous amounts of time. As we proceed down the casting bed, our superintendent with EMJ Monroe is double checking us. We appreciate all the work that they do checking us. Can't have too many eyes looking. Our rod busters have finished up the next group of panels in preparation for weld plate installation. This, by the way, is our bond breaking chemical. Call it a chemical, but it's literally a green product created from plant-based materials. So there are no VOCs and no health hazards. They say you can drink it, but I wouldn't suggest it. The rod busters down here on the end are finishing up in this last group of panels, and they've moved on to the small casting bed at the west side of the job. Our guys are just now finishing up with the ends, working over here on a large 9-inch deep recess in this set of panels, chamfering the edges, exposed edges. We got the guys in here finishing up with the doors. We do have one metal door frame in this particular set of panels. And the guys down here working on the 45-degree bevel. These corners on this particular job have a radiused edge on the bevels. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. This will be the first one we've done that way, but that's up to the architect. You see the slabs turned out really well. We have daily rain, so these nice little small puddles are indicative of the flatness of this slab. The hollow metal door frames that we'll be installing are all piled up. Our next package of reinforcing is good to go. You can see we have our superintendent Rito is down there working on laying out the next group of panels for the guys to move into. So all of our processes are well underway. Our elevator pit, which you saw in the last video, being ready to come up out of the ground, is full of water, which it will probably stay that way until we get roof on. So that's a real quick walkthrough. That's pretty much everything going on right here. We got a long ways to go. Our erection date right now is September 28th, so 5 weeks or so, we should have everything wrapped up and ready to stand panels. See you next time.